So to delete posts, let's move to delete function inside our post controller. So here the first thing we need to do is to receive the post that we need or that we will delete, and once received, so we can use the function which is the delete. So let's use it here, and once deleted, we return redirects the admin to the dashboard with the message post deleted. Okay, so let's refresh the page here. So let's try to delete this one, which is the fifth, and see what we have here. So as you can see, post deleted successfully, and fifth has changed, and we have only 7. Let's try to delete another one just to be sure that delete is working. So let's delete this one. So now we have 7, so we need to have only 6. So let's check the second page. So here we have 6. Okay, so now everything is working. So let's do final check. So here we have all the categories. Let's try to add a category. So here is the title or the name. So let's try to edit this category. So submit. So it's here. Let's delete this category. So it's deleted. Okay, so let's move to the posts. So you have all the posts here. So let's try to add another post. So here post body, and let's choose an image. Choose this image, choose a category, submit, and as you can see, the post is here. Let's update it. So let's update the body, update the image. So let's choose this one, choose a category and submit. And the post updated successfully. It's here. Let's delete it. And post deleted successfully. So now we are done with the dashboard. So we can update, delete, and add categories. Also, we can update, delete, and add posts. But before we end this lecture, let's remove. So I think that we need to remove the add button from here, because the add button is repeated inside all of our posts. So we need to repeat only edit and delete, and same thing here for the categories. So we don't need to have the add inside each category. So let's start by the posts and remove. So let's remove the button from here, and we can add it in the top. So I think that in the top is better. So here we have so the row, we have the call. So let's try. I think we need to add it here. Okay, so here let's add the div with the deflex and justify content between and align items to the center. And here let's add the link with the title. Okay, so let's check and see. So we are now in the posts, not the categories. So we have changed order. So let's make the post title first and then the button. Okay, so now I think it's better. So you have here posts, and the user can add posts from here. So instead of using the same button repeated inside each post, so here we have only edit or delete. Okay, and we need to do the same thing for the categories. So let's move to the index here, and let's copy also the link that we have here. So let's copy and use it also here. And we need another div, which is this one. So let's bring it and use it here. And here we close the div. Okay. So let's add, save, refresh the page, and check. So now we are done, and it's better than the previous one. Okay, so user can add categories and here update and delete each category he wants. Okay, so now we are done with the dashboard. So let's move to the next, and next we need to add, so let's add the like button here, and so the users can like posts. So if the user clicks on the button, so he will add like to this post, and we can also display likes for each post. Okay, so let's do that now.